Hey guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video today we're going to be going around in this Jeep Wrangler, the YJ. You guys seen plenty of this before. And we're going to be messing around out here. We're going to be going down this steep part right here. I'm going to get a bunch of clips of it going through a lot of things. You got the dirt bikes going on around out here.
Yeah.
Jump in.
Oh, shoot.
Having some fun. Yeah, got some air on that.
That guy, dude. That's badass.
Damn.
Man.
All right, but stay tuned. Let's get this going. Thing's a monster. Got dirt in my teeth. Filming up off of his phone. Trying to do the donuts.
Yeah.
How was it? Was it fun?
Heck yeah, it was fun, man. We're about to do a lot more. Stay tuned, boys. We're going to do some fun stuff. Let's get it.
Yeah, this is the abandoned track. This used to be a dirt bike track, and there's a drag strip out that way. I made a video of that before.
You see how small the Jeep is compared to this wheel?
He wants to go up this one right now. It looks small on camera, but it really is big.
Stock gearing and stock axles. I am going to attempt to crawl up this, and I'm betting you that it's going with ease.
Let me see if I can get up this thing around here. See, it jumps all over this place.
And it has done it no problem. So I'm going to do it that way, and I think I'm going to do it this way also. And we're going to see how well it crosses. So with that being said, let's get to it. This is a perfect test for the Wrangler with 37s. You see that? I mean, you guys can't tell me this camera does not show its angle too well.
Doesn't do it justice, that's for sure.
Pretty decent hill, okay? Pretty decent hill. Here, Christian. I want you to record me crawling up it.
Yep.
I want you to come down here, though, so it looks steeper. This camera doesn't show the steep.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't do it justice.
Yeah, here. Where's Caroline?
Oh, she's in there.
Okay.
Is it recording?
No, you gotta hit record.
Okay, it's recording.
You ready?
Sorry, guys. It's a bit shaky. The door wasn't even latched. Latch your door!
This side now.
Man, it does not look big on this camera, but really this is a big hill. This is a very big hill. That one's a bit bigger, a few feet bigger.
37 stock axles, boys. People say this is glass transmission, but guess what?
Not a glass tranny, that's for sure. Stock axles, YJ, 91 or 92, 37-inch tires, steel wheels, real beadlocks. It's the real deal. The size tire I'm going with on the WJ, as you all know. Right now he's gonna pull an abandoned Mercedes. And we'll pull that thing and show what his brand new 10,000 pound winch can actually do. He got this off of eBay. So let's see what it can actually do. That's some bumpy shit.
Is it? Back there, maybe.
Yeah.
You think there's anywhere to hook right here, or should I go in the front? I should go.
Yeah, maybe. Let me jump out.
You go jump out here?
Jump out too.
Okay, get out here. You gotta
Here's the Mercedes right here. Not sure of the year, probably 2013, not sure, but it is a newer one. Somebody done stole this thing or did an insurance job, something. This is where he tried crawling up it before. His, I forgot what it's called, the mount for the front, what do you call it? The front leaf spring, the shackle, kept on hanging up on that, so. But we're gonna do things like this when I get the WJ up. Lift it up on 37s, we're gonna test this stuff. The hell was that? Shit. Yeah.
All right, guys. So right now I'm gonna do a test on the eBay winch. and my
Expo.
welds. I welded these. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. We're gonna see how well they hold up by latching it onto this old abandoned Mercedes, and we're gonna see how well. All right, now that she's all hooked up, let's give her a try. Hopefully,
Brenda, come up here. Go up.
let's try it.
Go get that from him.
Take this.
She's getting it.
Here.
Come bring it to me.
You ready?
Wait. It's recording? Okay.
Think so. Check it. Is it square?
A little square? It's not reeling in. It's on the open position. I got it. I get it.
All right, we ready?
Yep. It stopped.
All right, check it, damn it.
I don't think I did it all the way.
No, you didn't. You gotta go all the way up. There we go.
Yeah, I don't know that winch like you. Put your e-brake on.
I'm just gonna get in it.
No, you're too light. No, it's moving it.
Moving it.
Yeah.
Is it dragging it?
Yep.
That's fine.
It's working, right?
Yep. Stop right there. That thing actually didn't do too bad. Look at those ruts it did. Damn.
All right, guys, as you can see, this thing just dragged us about 5 feet. It dragged
Damn.
us at first until it started pulling the car.
Look at how deep those are. It just pulled that donut straight through the sand, which I'm really not surprised. You know, it is an eBay winch, but there's a lot of good eBay winches out there. You just gotta find them.
Dookie stand.
Get away from there. There's a lot of tension on this rope.
You can release it if you want, or I'll release it.
Yeah, release it. Go ahead.
It freaking pulled it.
Yeah, it did. Here's the inside of it. Just ripped to shreds. Is that the fill float pump thing? Yeah, it goes on the fill pump. Not sure where the gas tank is on this thing.
Whoa, don't break it. It's fun. Hey, don't break it. We're gonna get the cops called on us. Dude, it pulled it. My welds held up.
Yeah,
Go
they
show
did.
them the welds.
Yeah, I know, I did. Not the best looking, but they sure did held up nicely. Somebody did a donut on top of this hood.
Yeah.
I mean, a pill out, not a donut, with the dirt bike.
I'm gonna stop.
Burnout.
Do it again. There you go, 37 stock axles, straight 6 4.0. Stock gearing, 373.
Beast,
Yeah.
right? Hell yeah, guys. I just did that. I'm telling you, it does not look like it does on camera. You can see where I
was hectic.
struggled. But it did pretty good. Let me see. All right. I just went up this. It took me a few tries, but, you know, it's actually pretty damn steep. You know, there's the car over there.
Here's the spots where he went in right here.
That's pretty damn steep. I had to dig some ruts out so it wasn't so steep because I kept bottoming out. But it looks really tiny on camera.
Yeah.
It looks
Looks
damn
like
tiny
nothing.
on camera. Yeah, it looks like nothing on camera. But it's pretty beefy, let me tell you. I bottomed out. There was a big rut right there where I kept spinning. And yeah, I just did this like nothing. Took me 3 tries because, of course, you know, I had to get that momentum, that little bump that it needed.
It's beautiful out here today. Arizona sunset.
Anyway,
And this is my brother, as you know, right here.
Jeeps
This is
and Things.
Jeeps and Things. Check him out on YouTube. He's the one with the 4.0 YJ on 37 stock axles, gearing,
cowboy boots.
and cowboy boots. All right, catch you guys in the next one.